For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
Numerous cryptographic money projects are using the advantages of the DeFi innovation to get the eventual fate of their tasks and accomplish a full condition of organization versatility. Elrond, Egld, is one of those conventions that is centered around building an innovative blockchain foundation with a state sharding plan, a blockchain arrangement that permits hubs to somewhat control the framework state, which helps fabricate the organization structure. This organization has released another condition of computerized design and innovation. In any case, in this video, we'd introduce an outline of this Elrond biological system, its cost exhibition since its creation, the group and values behind the capability of its organization, and our future cost expectations. With the erratic developments in the digital currency market, it'd be an extraordinary chance to understand what the presentation of your speculation would be with the guide of cutting-edge specialized examination instruments and forecast specialists. What is Elrond, Egld? Elrond Network, likewise alluded to as Egld, was established in 2017 in Romania by two programming engineers, Benjamin Mincu and Lucian Mincu. In any case, the mainnet took some time prior to sending off in July 2020 because of high objective turn of events. Egld is a blockchain foundation that uses sharding for the purpose of expanding chain versatility and exchange speed while applying the security of the proof-of-stake (SPOS) agreement instrument. It has a greatest stock of 31,415,926 Egld tokens, which is expanded yearly yet thus diminishes the marking prizes in the organization. This will influence the rate at which expansion of the coin develops as it continually diminishes. However, the confirmation of stake validators would act as one more method for exchange check on the convention. This blockchain has helped with the disposal of PC waste and protection of energy while focusing on their respectability through a remarkable component that permits the different handling of information exchanges in a similar block, which speeds up at a high rate. Elrond-centered designers accept that the Egld organization can deal with in excess of 15,000 exchanges each second at an expense of $0.001. This guarantee was demonstrated when Elrond arrived at 260,000 exchanges each second in a test climate with in excess of 1,000 hubs. This is a tremendous accomplishment contrasted with the other blockchains like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Avalanche. The Elrond local token is utilized in marking, remunerating validators, and installment of organization charges. What's more, the simplicity of activity is to such an extent that Elrond can be run on PCs without the requirement for cutting-edge mining processors, which makes it novice well-disposed and modest to make do. Elrond is the main organization that permits the synchronous execution of the relative multitude of three attributes of sharding parts in their convention plan. Its focal center is network security, as enduring interior dangers and outer attacks was planned. Egld has incredible potential in view of its high-scale security framework plan, borderless exchanges, implementation of brilliant agreements, permissionless computerized economy, and lively local area. Elrond, Egld, fundamental analysis. Elrond Network sent off their Mayor exchange, a DeFi convention that gives a stage to clients to give liquidity to pools and furthermore buy Egld tokens straightforwardly from their application because of their organization with MoonPay. This cooperation gave Egld admittance to that biggest retail economy and furthermore supported the flood of money to the convention as additional engineers and more people get segments of the token. The token got recorded on many significant stages like Binance, Gcoin, and OKX. The organization keeps building broad measures to guarantee the legitimate dispersion of its foundation to additional people, as its guide expressed. Egld is an imposing power in the security area of the cryptographic money market. Elrond likewise banded together with Copper, a computerized guardianship supplier, and has put forth many attempts in the development of digital money schooling by financing crypto foundations. Adaptability. Elrond's one-of-a-kind method and sharding process has given it a higher control over its rivals like Zilliqa, ZIL. The convention attempts to keep a stockpile of Egld tokens that are utilized to stake on the organization during its most memorable year, with the validator hubs getting a 36% every year. The organization keeps introducing itself as an innovative computerized economy for decentralized applications and business use, developing to make Egld a store of significant worth with a dynamic biological system. To guarantee a quicker pace of reception in the genuine and virtual world, the venture started to help engineers making on their foundation and furthermore permitting them to procure more than 30% of the Shrewd agreement charges as sovereignties. Elrond, Egld, current price. Elrond is at present worth $52.12. Egld has moved 0.73% as of now with an exchanging volume of $38,764,065. Elrond is as of now positioned 43 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $1,202,444,460 Elrond, Egld, price prediction 2022. Elrond, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. Egld. The Egld cost gauge for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $78.18. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $72.97 in cost is very aggressive, however it is plausible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. Egld is supposed to have a base worth of $62.54. Elrond, Egld, price prediction 2023. In 2023, Elrond Egld cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Egld will before long outperform $130.30. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the Egld's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Egld will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $104.24 and a typical exchanging cost of $114.67. Elrond, Egld, price prediction 2024. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $182.42 and Egld might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Egld is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $166.79 and a low of $156.36 in 2024. Elrond, Egld, price prediction 2025.